Learn 25 plus action verbs for feelings and emotions. Frown. Meaning, to wrinkle your forehead when worried or unhappy. I am frowning because I feel unhappy. Don't frown, be happy. Giggle. Meaning, to laugh in a light or silly way. I am giggling at the funny comment. Don't giggle in class. Sob. Meaning, to cry loudly while breathing heavily. I am sobbing because I am heartbroken. Don't sob so loudly. Grin. Meaning, to smile broadly and show your teeth. I am grinning because I am happy. Don't grin like that, it looks strange. Scowl. Meaning, to make an angry or annoyed expression on your face. I am scowling at the rude man. Don't scowl at your friends. Chuckle. Meaning, to laugh softly and quietly. I am chuckling at the joke. Don't chuckle when someone is serious. Weep. Meaning, to cry softly and quietly, often in sadness. I'm weeping because I feel so sad. Don't weep, talk to someone you trust. Glare. Meaning, to look at someone angrily. I am glaring at the noisy kids. Don't glare at me like that. Smirk. Meaning, to smile in a proud, rude, or mocking way. I am smirking because I know the secret. Don't smirk, it looks rude. Pout. Meaning, to push out your lips when upset or angry. I am pouting because I didn't get ice cream. Don't pout like a child. Shriek. Meaning, to cry out loudly in fear, surprise, or excitement. I am shrieking because the movie is so scary. Don't shriek like that, it's really disturbing. Whimper. Meaning, to make soft crying sounds of pain, sadness, or fear. I am whimpering because I am hurt. Don't whimper, be brave. Yell. Meaning, to shout loudly, often in anger or excitement. I am yelling because I am angry. Don't yell at me. Mutter. Meaning, to speak in a low voice, often when annoyed. I am muttering because I am annoyed. Don't mutter, just say it directly. Murmur. Meaning, to speak softly and quietly. I'm murmuring about my problems to her. Don't murmur, speak clearly. Shiver. Meaning, to shake slightly because of fear or cold. I am shivering in the cold wind. Don't shiver, wear a jacket. Tremble. Meaning, to shake from fear, weakness, or excitement. I am trembling with fear. Don't tremble, stay calm. Moan. Meaning, to make a long sound showing pain, sadness, or discomfort. I am moaning because I am in pain. Don't moan so loudly. Groan. Meaning, to make a deep sound showing pain, tiredness, or disappointment. I am groaning because of the heavy work. Don't groan about small problems. Blush. Meaning, to turn red in the face because of shyness or embarrassment. I am blushing because I feel shy. Don't blush, be confident. Hug. I am hugging my little brother. Don't hug too tightly. Kiss. I'm kissing my baby goodnight. Don't kiss anyone if you have a cold. Clap. I am clapping for the singer. Don't clap at the wrong moment. Wave. I am waving goodbye to my friends. Don't wave while crossing the street, it's unsafe. Laugh. I am laughing at the funny movie. Don't laugh too loudly. Cry. I am crying because I miss my friend. Don't cry. Everything will be okay. Smile. I am smiling at my best friend. Don't smile at the wrong moment.